Okay, guys, you know that there's one thing that I love. My brain.
True.
Yeah?
True.
Get this, right? Our brain has the memory storage capacity of 2.5 million gigabytes.
That's huge.
It is huge. If your brain was a hard drive, that would be enough to store 3 million hours worth of your favourite TV show.
Wow.
And what I really like is the little glitches when things go wrong. Like Deja Vu. Have you guys ever had it?
I have, yeah.
Have you wondered why you've ever had it?
Yeah.
Good. So, I get home, turn on the TV and think, oh, not another repeat. But wait, could it be déjà vu? That strange sensation I've seen something before, even when I know I haven't. And if it is déjà vu, then what the heck causes it? Psychotherapist Sigmund Freud would claim I was being reminded of an unconscious fantasy. But since I'm a very unrepressed 21st century woman, thank you, Dr. Freud, I want a more scientific explanation. Some scientists in the 60s thought our brains processed information twice, with a tiny delay in between. This brain burp could explain déjà vu. By the 80s, Washington University researchers were testing out a theory called double perception, or getting distracted and not noticing stuff. Imagine you're rushing home to catch something vital, like something funny on Factomania. Now, you don't notice that old man at first because you're totally preoccupied. But when you have to stop to let him cross, very slowly, you notice him then, don't you? You think you're seeing him for the first time, although he does look a bit familiar. The problem is, neither theory is easy to prove. That's partly because the human memory system is very complex.
So, how do we store memories in our squishy stuff?
Well, basically, there's lots of different types of memories, but the memory that leads to déjà vu is episodic memory.
Okay.
Right? So, guys, think back to a time in your life that means a lot to you. Maybe it's your 30th birthday, where it was, that the taste of the food.
Really awful fancy dress.
Sweet and sour king prawn balls. Yeah.
But the thing is, like, each of these parts of a memory are stored in different parts of your brain.
Okay. But what's the link?
Imagine you're going into a restaurant for the first time ever. But this restaurant has the same furniture as a restaurant that you've been in before.
Right.
Your brain, without you realising, clocks that you've seen this furniture before. And then what it does is it drags in all of the other bits from this old memory. And so you end up experiencing the whole of the old memory rather than just a part of it.
Yep.
And so that's déjà vu.
Gotcha.